So, Dr. Pie, looks like you've got yourself a Z-axis. Is this the one you bought from Banggood and you're going to set it up with a Raspberry Pi and use it on your CNC project?
That's exactly what I'm going to do. The Z-axis from Banggood comes complete with a NEMA 17 stepper motor, which will work with my L298 stepper motor driver, and it will work with Arduino or Raspberry Pi in that case. So let's set it up and see what it runs like. So to use CNC terminology, it looks like I'm going to have an issue with repeatability here. So I'm going to be needing some kind of sensor or limit switch on this. So I'm going to have to go away and think about this. It fits really nicely into my CNC project, which you may have seen earlier on. I think I'm going to need to test this a little bit more. I'm going to substitute the NEMA 17 motor, which you can see it came with. I'll swap that with a NEMA 17 1.5 amp similar stepper motor that I already have. I'll test that. I'll just see if I can get better repeatability, or if it's just an issue with, I don't know, maybe the thread on the lead screws sloppy or something. But I'm going to redo this test with the other motor, and then I will be looking at some of my sensors and selecting some of those, or one of those, which I can use on this to enable me to identify when the motor's reached the end of its travel, and then maybe home it right to the opposite end and then zero it. So yeah, a little bit of work to do with this, although I must say the hardware is really good, and obviously my plywood and screws and brackets only gets me so far. This Z-axis is, yeah, it's quite nicely made, and it's going to fit really well. So stay tuned, come back soon, and I'll have an update on this for you. Please subscribe, because it takes a bit of effort to make these videos, and yeah, I don't really make any money out of them either, so it's just for the fun of it and the lols. So see you soon. Thank you.
Could you leave any code that you used for this somewhere? Maybe leave it in the comment section, the Python code, please.
And yes, I'll leave the Python code that I used in the control of the Z-axis stepper motor with the Raspberry Pi in the comments section. Thank you.